Hi everyone, myself Linga Reddy. In this session, we'll discuss Dalton's law of partial pressure. Right, what is the given Dalton's law here? The relation between total pressure and individual pressure. The relation it's giving between total pressure and individual pressure. Right, and here, right, the total pressure of extracted by the mixture of non-reacting gas is equal to sum of the individual pressure of partial pressure of individual gas, right? So this is the given information Dalton's, right? What is the finally is explained Dalton. The total pressure is equal to sum of the partial pressure of individual gas. For example, pressure having P1 and P2 and P3 and so on, right? So this is given information by Dalton's. I hope it is clear. Here the constant at constant temperature and volume, right? Let me explain clear with the experiments. For example, in this beaker, we have X moles of nitrogen. Right here, the experiment 1 here, the X moles of nitrogen gas is there. This is the pressure is P1. So Y moles of oxygen is there. This is experiment 2. So this is the pressure is P2. So total pressure after these two mixing, these are mixing here. So we are adding these two. So resultant what we get here, right? Where X moles and Y moles are mixing, X plus Y moles of O2 N2 is forming here, right? So the pressure is here, the P1 pressure and P2 pressure. This is the total pressure. So this is given by the Dalton's law. What he giving, the total pressure of the exerted by the mixture of non-reacting gases is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of individual gas. So here, so the total P total is equal to P1 plus and P2. This is given by Dalton's law. I hope it is clear. So this is individual gas of partial pressure, right? Individual gas of partial pressure, right? So this partial pressure we can take in terms of mole fraction also. Already we know that in Dalton's law, the pressure, so temperature and volume is constant, right? Temperature and volume is constant. So here pressure here P1, P1 partial pressure for one gas, and n number of moles here, RT by V1. V is the constant. Second mole we can take here. So partial pressure in terms of here, N2 into RT by V, and we can take another gas P3 gas and N3 into RT by V. So here N1, N2, N3 is our number of moles, right? The P1 and P2 and P3 is our partial pressure of individual gas. Partial pressure. I hope it is clear. We know that total pressure P total is equal to P1 plus P2 plus and P3. Right, what is the P1 here? N1 RT by V plus N2 RT by V plus N3 RT by V, right? So RT by V is constant. We can take common here. So So that equal to here n1 plus n2 plus and n3 into what is there here, RT by V. This is a constant. So this is what P total. This equation, right, on dividing P1 by total pressure, P total pressure, and we get what we'll get here, P1 by P total equal to N1 by N1 plus N2 plus and N3. So into RT by and RTV, right? What is the P1? P1 is equal to N1 RT by V. This is only we are dividing with the total pressure. I hope it is clear. Already we know that the mole fraction, right? This one cancelled. Remaining what is there here? The P1 by P total equal to N1 by N1 plus N2 plus N3. So this is called mole fraction. Already we know that the mole fraction nothing but one component by total number of components, right? So what is that? This is we can take as a x1, nothing but mole fraction of 1, the pressure of whatever we are taking the P1, that mole fraction here. So this is mole fraction of first gas, mole fraction of first gas, right? I hope it is clear. So we can take P total, P1 by P total is equal to x1. We want P1, that P1 is equal to x1 into P total, right? This is, so here the partial pressure of gas in mixture equal to the partial pressure of gas in mixture equal to the sum of the mole fraction here product of mole fraction and total pressure, right? So in mixture the partial pressure of gas equal to product of mole fraction of that gas into total pressure. I hope it is clear. So this is regarding information about Dalton's law, right? This is the Dalton's law, right here. A neon O2 mixture of containing 70.6 grams O2 and 167.5 grams of neon. If the pressure of mixture of gases in the cylinder is 25 bar, what is the partial pressure of O2 and neon mixture? So we have to calculate the partial pressure of neon and O2 gas. Before we derived already formula. For example, partial gas of 1 is equal to the mole fraction of 1 into P total. So P total already they are giving 25 bars. So we want to calculate the mole fraction of 1. So but they are giving here the oxygen is what is the weight here? So O2 is here 70, right? And neon here 167.5. So this is they are giving weight, but we have to convert the mole fraction. So how to convert weight to, first we have to convert the number of moles, then we can calculate the 1 mole of component by total number of components, right? First one, number of moles of O2 is equal to 70 point weight here oxygen 6 grams divided by, and what is the molecular weight here? 32. O2 molecule is 32, how much we'll get here? 2.21 gram per mole inverse, right? And next, number of moles of neon. Number of moles of neon is equal to, what is the weight here? 167.5 by neon molecular weight here 20. So that equal to how much here? 8.37, right? Gram per mole inverse, number of moles units, right? So here mole fraction of oxygen I want. So mole fraction of O2 is equal to, so number of moles of O2 by 2.21 by, and total number of moles of component plus 2.21 plus 8.37, that equal to, what is the mole fraction here? The 0.21, right? The what is the, we got it oxygen mole fraction, and total pressure also is there, so we can get the, substitute these two values, we'll get the partial pressure of oxygen. So let me explain next slide here. So here P total of P partial oxygen equal to, so mole fraction how much we'll get here? 0.21, and into, what is the pressure here? 25 bar pressure. So what is the P total here? The P total is equal to P partial pressure equal to how much here? 5.25 bar. So this is the partial pressure of oxygen. What about the partial pressure of neon? Already one mole fraction we are calculated. Here we want neon mole fraction. How we can calculate mole fraction? Already we know that XA plus XB is equal to 1 mole fraction. For example, oxygen we want neon, that is XB. This is XB neon. So equal to 1 minus XA, right? So this is the mole fraction of oxygen. So here neon mole fraction here XB equal to, so XB is equal to 1 minus 0.21, right? That equal to, what is that here? Mole fraction of B 0.79. So now we can calculate the partial pressure of neon. The partial pressure of neon is equal to mole fraction how much is there? 0.79 into total pressure 25 bar, that equal to, what is that here? 19.75 bar. So this is the partial pressure of neon. I hope it is clear. This is regarding information about Dalton's law.